Hey guys, Lights, Fans, and More here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Amazon Echo Dot. Now this is the first generation Echo Dot that we are resetting. It might be different for other kinds of Echoes, but they generally will look the same because this one's an Echo Dot, and I'm sure that the other generation Echo Dots will be the same, even the regular Echoes with the towers. So let's go ahead and show you how to do this. So currently it's in setup mode because I did it before, but there was an error in it. So I'm trying to do it again, and without my mom because she's always trying to find me, trying to see what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to do this so I can have complete privacy so my mom doesn't even see me. So let's go ahead and do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the action button, which is right here. What it's going to do is you're going to hold this, and that's going to enter setup mode, but you don't just let go when it's in setup mode. You're going to keep on holding that while it's in setup mode, and it will show you the factory reset screen. So let's go ahead and do it for you. So I'm going to hold it.
Wi-Fi isn't set up. For help, go to your Alexa app.
Now obviously it's saying that the Wi-Fi could not be set up, so we could keep holding it.
Resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
So I can let go, and as you can see it's pulsing orange, amber, maybe. It's saying that it's resetting, so it'll just keep going, and the light will turn off, and you'll see it'll start booting up. That's kind of like the resetting screen, and then it will do the boot up again. So it'll start to boot up. Alright, so it's in startup stage 2.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Alright, so we've just completed the factory reset, and now this thing is all done. So, yep, that is how you factory reset it. Now just note that only do this on the last resort, because doing this will permanently erase all the data on your Echo Dot, and you'll have to reset it up in the Alexa app if you do. So now the reason why I did this is because this one, we just got a new Echo Dot. It's an Echo Show that we put in our kitchen, and since this one is broken because it's actually like the wake word, where like when we say the wake word, Alexa, she won't like listen to us, and we have to like press the action button. But it still works, so we can still talk to it, but it's just it can't even recognize the wake word. So I have to like push the action button to do it. So yeah. Now that is how you factory reset your Amazon Echo Dot. And I'll see you guys in the New Year's. Lights out.